Good morning children, Sai Ram. Children, today we are going to study part 4 of chapter number 8, Bills of Exchange. This is the last part of this chapter. In this, we will cover the topic dishonor of a bill. One thing I have to share, children, from this chapter, two topics has been deleted. The first one is retiring of a bill and the second one is renewal of a bill. These two topics is deleted from the CBSE. So up to dishonor of a bill you have to prepare. Now dishonor of bill. When the acceptor of the bill refuses to make the payment on the date of maturity, it is termed as dishonor of bill. When the bill dishonored, then noting charges are to be paid. Now what do you mean by noting charges? Noting charges. What do we mean by noting charges? It is the fee paid to the notary public for noting the bill of exchange of its dishonor. Noting charges are paid to the notary public first by the holder of the bill. However, they are ultimately recovered from the drawee or acceptor of the bill. Here, holder of the bill means seller of the goods who have to make the bill. So first it is paid by the holder of the bill and after that it is recovered from the drawee when he will pay the entire amount of bill including the noting charges. Okay, because drawee is responsible for the dishonor of bill. Now entries on dishonor of a bill. So first of all, in the books of drawer. In the books of drawer, there are 4 cases. There are 4 options available for drawer. The first is when the bill retained till maturity. So in this case, when dishonor of a bill, the entry will be drawee account debit to BR. This is the entry, drawee account debit to BR. Next is when the bill is discounted with the bank, then drawee account debit to bank. The third is when the bill endorsed to endorsee, the entry will be drawee account debit to endorsee. And the fourth is when the bill sent for collection to the bank, the journal entry will be drawee account debit to bill sent for collection. So children, in all these 4 cases, you have observed when the bill is dishonored, the party that has given the bill becomes liable to pay the bill amount plus noting charges. So, such party is debited. So, here, who is liable to pay the bill amount? Drawee. So, in all the cases, you can observe here, you can see here, in all the cases, drawee will be debited. So here in all cases you can see drawee account debit. In all 4 cases drawee will be debited always. Okay. Now what is credited? It depends on the situation. See, if the condition is when the bill was retained till the date of maturity, then you have to credit it BR. Okay, means bill receivable. And the situation is when the bill is discounted with the bank, then you have to credit it to bank. When endorsed to endorsee, then endorsee. When bill sent for collection, then you have to write down bill sent for collection. Now let us discuss the entries. Let us discuss the question, and after that we will do the journal entry. On 7th March 2018, A sold goods to B for Rs 40,000 less 5% cash discount and B paid 40% price at the same time and on the same date drew a bill on B for 2 months for the balance. B duly accepts bill. However, bill was dishonored on due date and A paid Rs 300 as noting charges. B paid the amount due to A by check on 16th May 2018. Make journal entries in the books of A and B. So first you have to find out who is a drawer and who is a drawer. So who sold goods? That is a drawer. And who purchased the goods? The person who purchased the goods, he is a drawer. So here A sold goods to B. It means A is a drawer. A is a drawer and B is a drawer. Now you have to do the journal entry. So first we will do in the books of A. See, in the journal of A, the first line is written on 7th March 2018. A sold goods to B. So make the journal entry. Children, I already told you, in the books of A, do not write the name of A. You have to write down the name of another person. It means drawing. So here the date is 7th March 2018 and the entry is B's account debit to sales 40,000. Now less 5% cash discount and B paid 40% price at the same time. And on the same day drew a bill on B for 2 months for the balance. Now children, see, you already know cash discount always will be charged on cash payment. So here 40% payment will be done in cash. So the total amount is 40,000. The goods sold for rupees 40,000. Now out of the 40,000, calculate 40% cash payment. So it is 16,000. Do the 40% of 40,000. It is 16,000. Now in 16,000, this is the cash payment. In this amount, you have to charge the 5% cash discount. See, 16,000 is the cash amount. Now in cash payment, you have to find out the discount. So discount amount is, in this way you have to find out the discount. So discount amount is 800. 160 into 5, 800. Okay. Now journal entry, because on the same date, it means on 7th March. So 7th March is the date. On 7th March the entry will be payment done in cash. So A is a seller of the goods, so he will receive the cash. Entry will be cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to B's account. B is a drawing. So B, in B column you can write down 16,000 credit and discount column 800. Now difference will be in cash. Now after that, see, out of the 40,000 is the total sale amount. 16,000 paid in cash. Now what is left? The left amount is 24,000. Now on this amount, on the balance, 2 months bill drew a bill for 2 months on the balance. Now on 24,000, drawer have to make the bill. So what is the date of bill? Date of bill is same, 7th March 2018, and the entry is BR account debit to B, means drawing 24,000. Okay, and the next line is written, B duly accept the bill. However, bill was dishonored on due date. Now find out the due date. See, the bill making date is 7th March 2018. Now bill has drawn for 2 months. Now 2 months, it means 7th April 2018 1 month, 7th May 2018 2 months plus 3 days of grace. It means 10th May 2018. This is the due date. Now you have to write down the due date and make the bill dishonored entry. Now bill dishonored entry is B's account debit to BR account to cash account. Okay, here cash is written in, I have given the journal entry in which I have made the entry draw it to BR only. But here cash is also written because in the question it is mentioned A paid 300 as noting charges. I I told you A is a drawer. First of all, noting charges has to be paid to the drawer, and after that when the bill amount will receive, then you have to when the drawer will pay the amount, then including with the bill amount, drawer has to pay the noting charges also. So first here in the books of A you have to show the noting charges amount. So B's account debit to BR amount is 24,000. So here it is mentioned 24,300 for noting charges, and total amount due to B is 24,300. This is the dishonor entry. And after that the statement is written, B paid the amount due to A by check on 16th May. So after 6 days B has paid the amount, okay, by through check. So it means after dishonor B has paid the amount. So on 16th, see, on 16th May, this is the date, you have to give the entry. It means A have received the cash, so bank account debit to B's. Bank you have to write down because in the question it is written by check. So bank account debit to B's account, and amount you have to write down 24,300. Here see children, amount you have to write down 24,300 because 24,000 of bill plus 300 for noting charges. Okay, in this way you have to make in the books of A. Now come to the in the books of B. In the books of B, journal entry you have to give. First entry, the opposite of journal of A entry. First entry in the books of A, it is sales. Now in the books of B you have to give the purchase entry. So on 7th March 2018 the entry will be purchase to A 40,000. Next entry just opposite of the second entry of A's book. A's account debit to cash account to discount received, and amount you have to write down with the same 16,000 payment done. So 16,000 the discount amount is 800 and 15,200 is the cash payment. And after that the balance amount bill has drawn. So for 24,000 the bill making entry, bill acceptance entry is A's account debit to bills payable account. And after that the dishonored entry, when the bill is dishonored on due date. So entry will be bills payable account debit, noting charges debit to A's account, and amount, bill amount is 24,000, noting charges 300, and A's total amount due to A is 24,300. And at the last the amount has paid by B through check. So on 16th the entry will be A's account debit to bank account 24,300. In this way you have to give the question number 1 journal entries when the bill was retained till the date of maturity and is dishonored. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is A sells goods for rupees 20,000 to B on 1st October 2018 and draws a bill for 3 months. B accept the bill and A discount it on 4th October with the banks at the rate of 6%. Acceptance is dishonored on due date and noting charges of 400 paid by bank. On 14 January 2019, B paid the amount due to A in cash. Pass necessary journal entry in the books of A and B. Now again the dishonor case, but here the bill is discounted with the bank. So how you have to give the entries? Entry I have given, all journal entries are same, starting all journal entries are same. Only the dishonor entry you have to pass, draw it to bank because it is the discounted with the bank situation. Now let us start. In the books of A, the first entry is on 1st October 2018. B's to sales 20,000. Okay. Now next entry is for on the same date on 1st October 2018 bill has drawn for 3 months. So bill receivable to B is 20,000. Now the date is given, B accept the bill and A discount it on 4th October. So after 3 days bill is discounted with the bank at the rate of 6%. So you have to give the entry of discounting charges. So bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to BR on 4th October. Now see, the amount is 20,000. First of all you have to find out the discounting charges. So children, the bill has drawn for 3 months and discounted on 4th October. It means bill has drawn on 1st October and after 3 days the bill has discounted with the bank. It means for complete 3 months, means 3 months prior drawer wants the money. So it means you have to find out the discounting charges in this way: 20,000 into 6 upon 100 and 3 upon 12. In this way discounting amount you have to find out and the discounting charges is 300. Now BR amount is 20,000, discounting charges 300 and difference will be in bank column. Now after this the bill is dishonored on due date. Now find out the due date. So for due date, see, 1st October 2018 is the bill making date. Now after 3 months, 1st October to 1st November, 1st December and 1st January plus 3 days, it means 4th January 2019. This is the due date. Now on 4th January 2019 bill dishonored. So what is the entry? This is the case of discounted with the bank. So draw account debit to bank. So entry will be draw to bank. Now what about the noting charges? Here no cash entry you have to make because it is already in bank. So write down the entry, 20,000 is the bill amount plus 400 noting charges, like this. This one is the amount, 20,400. And the last is on 14th January 2019. After 10 days B paid the amount due to A in cash. So as I told in question number 1, B has paid the entire amount. So you can make the entry cash account debit to B's account, total amount, bill amount plus noting charges. Now in the books of B is a drawee. So first of all, first entry of purchase. So on 1st October 2018 purchase account debit to cash. Here it is written 20,000. Next is bill making entry. It means acceptance given to A. So on 1st October A is to bills payable 20,000 and after that on the due date the bill dishonored entry. Bill dishonored entry is bills payable noting charges to A's. In all the cases, in all the 4 situations, always remember in drawee's book dishonor of a bill entry will be same. Bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to A's account. In bills payable 20,000 bill amount, noting charges 400, A's column 20,400. And at last on 14th January B has to be paid the amount. So A's account debit to cash account 20,400. So in this way you have to make the journal entries. Children, today I have explained the 2 cases. The 2 cases of dishonor of a bill. In next part I will explain the other 2 cases. Till now do practice of these 2 cases and complete your work in your fair notebook. Complete your work in the fair notebook. Thank you children. Saira.